Welcome to I'm Finally Fit. Today we're diving into a fun and innovative way to transform your laundry day into a full body workout. We all know that laundry can feel like a never-ending chore, but what if we told you that you could turn this mundane task into an opportunity for fitness? In this video, we will explore how incorporating exercise into your daily routines, like doing laundry, can not only save you time, but also boost your physical health. Imagine lifting those laundry baskets as a way to strengthen your arms, or doing squats while folding clothes. By rethinking how you approach chores, you can make them more enjoyable and beneficial for your body. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some movement without needing extra time in your busy schedule. So, grab your laundry basket and get ready to sweat. Let's make laundry day something you actually look forward to, while also getting fit in the process. Warm up, preparing for laundry day. Before we dive into our laundry workout, it's essential to warm up and get our bodies ready for action. Warming up helps to loosen up your muscles and prevent injuries, ensuring you can tackle those laundry tasks safely and effectively. Let's start with some dynamic stretches that engage your whole body. Begin with arm rotations. Stretch your arms out to the sides and create small rotations, moderately enlarging the size. This movement warms up your shoulders and upper body. Next, move into leg swings. Hold onto a wall or a sturdy surface for balance and swing one leg forward and backward, then switch to the other leg. This will help loosen your hips and legs. Finally, incorporate some torso twists to engage your core. Be upright with your feet, shoulder the same distance apart, and gradually twirl your upper body from one side to the other. These simple movements will prepare you for the workout ahead, making laundry day not just productive, but also a fun way to stay active. Sorting clothes, a core workout. Now that we're warmed up, let's turn sorting laundry into an effective core workout. As you begin to sort your clothes, remember to engage your core muscles for maximum benefit. Start by squatting down to pick up items from the floor. This not only activates your core, but also strengthens your legs. As you sort through the piles, incorporate twisting motions. For example, when reaching for clothes on one side, twist your torso gently to the opposite side as you lift. This movement engages your obliques and enhances your overall core strength. While you're sorting, it's crucial to maintain proper posture. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed to avoid strain. Think about pulling your stomach inward towards your spine to engage your core fully. By combining these movements, you'll not only get your laundry sorted, but also give your core a solid workout. So, let's make the most of this chore and feel the burn while we sort. Loading the washer, strength training. Now it's time to load the washer, and believe it or not, this can be a fantastic strength training exercise. Start by lifting your laundry basket with proper form. Bend your knees and keep your back straight as you lift. This technique not only protects your back, but also works on your arm and back strength. As you move to and from the washer, incorporate lunges. Move ahead escorted by one leg, dropping your body until both knees are approximately at a 90-degree angle. Then thrust back to standing. This adds an extra leg workout while you're busy loading clothes. To really challenge yourself, consider increasing the weight of your laundry load. The heavier the basket, the more resistance you will encounter, which can help build muscle strength over time. Remember, it's all about making the most of your chores. So, as you load the washer, think of it as an opportunity to strengthen your body while tackling your laundry. Let's get those muscles working. Folding clothes, flexibility and balance. As we move on to folding clothes, this task can be a great way to improve your flexibility and balance. Start by demonstrating various folding techniques that require bending and stretching. For instance, when folding shirts, reach down to grab the fabric and pull it up to your waist, engaging your back and legs as you do so. To add an element of balance, try standing on one leg while folding. This simple adjustment challenges your stability and engages your core muscles. Switch legs after a few folds to keep things balanced and fun. While you're folding, it's important to maintain a steady pace. This not only keeps your heart rate up, but also turns the task into a mini workout. As you fold, focus on your breathing and rhythm, making it a mindful practice. By incorporating these movements, you will not only have neatly folded clothes, but also improve flexibility and balance. So, let's make folding a beneficial part of our laundry day routine. Ironing, upper body workout. Now let's talk about ironing, which can actually serve as an effective upper body workout. When you stand at the ironing board, use proper techniques to engage your shoulders and arms. Hold the iron with a firm grip and use smooth, controlled movements to press out wrinkles. This action works your biceps and triceps, giving your arms a nice workout. To prevent fatigue and promote balance, be sure to alternate arms while ironing. Switch hands every few minutes to ensure both sides of your body get a workout. This simple adjustment can help you maintain strength and avoid strain. To take it a step further, incorporate side lunges while you iron. As you move from one side of the board to the other, step out into a lunge, engaging your lower body. This not only tones your legs, but also keeps your heart rate up. So, the next time you tackle that ironing pile, remember it's not just a chore, it's an opportunity to strengthen your upper body while staying active. Putting away, laundry, cardio, burst. Now that your laundry is clean and folded, let's turn putting it away into a fun cardio workout. Instead of taking your time, encourage quick movements and bursts of speed as you move from room to room. The faster you go, the more you'll elevate your heart rate and get your blood pumping. If you have stairs in your home, incorporate stair climbing into the process. As you carry clothes to their respective rooms, take the stairs 2 at a time for an added challenge. This will not only increase your heart rate, but also engage your leg muscles effectively. While you're putting away laundry, remember to stay mindful of your movements. Focus on your form and the speed at which you're moving to maximize calorie burn. By treating this task as a mini cardio session, you'll not only get your laundry put away, but also sneak in a great workout. So let's make putting away laundry an energizing part of your day. Cool down, stretching after laundry. Congratulations on completing your laundry workout. Now it's time to cool down and help your body recover. Cooling down is essential to prevent muscle soreness and promote flexibility. So let's guide you through a gentle stretching routine. Start by focusing on the areas you worked during your laundry task. Stretch your arms overhead to release any tension in your shoulders. Then gently lean to one side to stretch your side body. Next, reach down to touch your toes, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Don't forget to include some deep breathing exercises. Inhale deeply into your nose, permitting your stomach to increase in size, and then breathe out gradually through your mouth. Replicate this a small number of times to promote relaxation and help your body transition back to a resting state. Taking the time to cool down will not only aid in recovery, but also leave you feeling refreshed and accomplished. So, let's take a moment to appreciate the hard work you've done today. Let's quickly recap the key points we discussed about turning laundry day into a full body workout. We explored how tasks like sorting, loading, folding, ironing, and putting away laundry can be transformed into effective exercises that engage your core, strengthen your muscles, and even get your heart rate up. By incorporating movement into these everyday chores, you can make laundry day not just productive but also a fun way to stay active. We encourage you to implement these tips in your own routines and see how they can enhance your fitness while tackling household tasks. Remember, every little bit of movement counts. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from turning their chores into workouts. Together, let's make fitness a part of our daily lives. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in next video.